We are live from Cosmetics, and I am here at the ALGAKTIV stand today. And we are in Cosmetics in the Innovation Zone Shortlist category, and we're going to talk about Exometics G. If you do not know ALGAKTIV, they're the true pioneers of what biotechnology is. I am Rinki, and from my channel, Inki with Rinki, we are doing a collaboration with Cosmetics Covalo, and we are bringing you the best of Innovation Zone category. So we're going to talk about Exometics G. I have with me Jordi from the ALGAKTIV team, who is a product director. Over to you, Jordi. What makes this ingredient special?
Well, I think we're tackling the exosome space in a very different way as everyone else. So we're a bit late in the jumping into this trend, but that's because we wanted to really give it time and develop something that makes sense. So I think we're really redefining the concept of exosomes, especially with the biomimetic angle, which gives this ingredient not just like a great breakthrough in terms of technology, but also a very nice story for the customers to tell to the people.
Perfect. Well, I got a sneak peek of this ingredient, and how I see it is a youthful glow and erasing the wrinkles. Can you imagine? You can actually reduce looking 2 years younger in just 14 days. Now that's shocking, right? What are the top clinicals that you have came across for this wonderful ingredient?
So first, we started designing this platform and we selected this active because of the regenerative power, right? So we screened different versions of this product, and this one was the one that showed the better wound healing properties, which means it is able to renew the fibroblast earlier than anything else we've seen. So that was shocking. The performance is amazing. And then on the clinical side, everything happens so fast, right? You've seen it 7 days, 14 days, you get wrinkle depth reduction, you get hyperpigmentation. And we have also this very interesting claim, which is rejuvenating biologically, right?
Yes.
The skin in more than 2 years in just 14 days, which is outstanding.
Perfect. So if the brands out there need to put this ingredient into their next big innovation, what is your message to them?
So, our message has been we're tackling the exosome space through tech, right? Through technology. This is an active that is designed to biomimic what an exosome from a fibroblast would be in terms of structure, in terms of function. And that's why we're able to tackle dermal regeneration in just 7 days, right? It's super active, very interesting in terms of technology, but also super nice in terms of story. So always tapping on biotech, right? And the biomimetism, trying to overcome any limitations exosome may have right now in the skincare space with a very robust alternative.
Perfect. Well, all of you, if you do not know, not all exosomes are made in the same way, and majority of exosomes actually come from animal derived, but this one is actually vegan and biomimetic. So brands out there who are looking for their next big innovation, you need to give this ingredient a try.
So why exosomes? This is a good question. And actually, I think we look at this technology as another breakthrough in the skincare market, right? So it's the same way that liposomes brought us at their time a way of encapsulating actives to make them more resilient and more available for skin formulations. This is another way of delivering actives, right? But we're transforming the encapsulation of a liposome and we're making much more complex, right? So you get those not naked vesicles, but vesicles that are being designed to have those transmembrane proteins and very specific lipid composition that basically will allow it to go and target that delivery into a specific cell type, for example, right? So the question, why exosomes? It's, hey, we love liposomes. They allow us to do other things, right? So encapsulating pure actives, doing that, specific encapsulating and delivery. This is another step in the delivery systems. It's targeted, self-deliverable, but also that has biological efficacy in the skin.
Can you explain the science behind the exosome?
Exactly. So basically, an exosome is a way for a cell to send something to other cells, right? It's a way of encapsulating their own material in a membrane that is very similar to their membranes. And so they just expel them into the environment so they can reach the recipient cell, right? And that's why there's more delivery system, right? Because they know, they have the keys to open, the keyholes on the membranes of the recipient cells. and then can even send signals to that cell, right? So it's not just that they are delivering cargo, right? I mean, this is a liposome would do, is that they are sending signals to the cells, right? So it's not passive delivery, it's active delivery plus performance.
Perfect. Thank you so much for explaining it so nicely.